स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में वो इक्वेशंस पढ़ेंगे जो होमोजीनियस इक्वेशंस हैं। होमोजीनियस इक्वेशंस में आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं ये एक्स स्क्वायर वाई माइनस 2xy स्क्वायर है, यहाँ एक्स क्यूब है माइनस 3x स्क्वायर वाई। तो इस तरह की डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए तरीका होता है हमारे पास। इसमें हम पहले तो dy/dx का मान निकालेंगे। उसके लिए हमें यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं इसको एक्स स्क्वायर वाई माइनस 2xy स्क्वायर dx इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर वाई dy. This implies dy/dx is equal to x square y minus 2xy square divided by x cube minus 3x square y. Now divide by x cube, so this will be equal to y by x minus 2x y स्क्वायर बाई एक्स स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। यहाँ इसको भी एक्स क्यूब से भाग देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 1 माइनस 3y बाई एक्स। नाउ पुट y बाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू v, दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू vx, सो दैट dy बाई dx इज इक्वल टू v plus x dv by dx. Substituting in first, we get v plus x dv by dx is equal to, this will be equal to v minus 3v square divided by 1 minus v, और x dv by dx is equal to v minus 3v square divided by 1 minus v, and this will be equal to v minus 3v square minus v minus minus plus v square divided by 1 minus v, and this will be equal to minus 2v square divided by 1 minus v. Here variables are separable, so this will be equal to 1 minus v upon 2v square is into dv is equal to minus dx upon x. Or this will be equal to 1 by 2v square minus 1 upon 2v dv is equal to minus dx by x. Integrating both the sides, we get minus 1 by 2 v minus 1 by 2 log v is equal to minus log x plus log of c. Now value of v is y by x, so this will be equal to, and here minus, all minus we can take it as positive. Now this can be written as log c1, so this will be 1 by 2v plus 1 by 2 log v is equal to log c1x, or we can write it as 1 by v plus log of v is equal to twice of log c1x. Put y by x is equal to v, so v is equal to y by x, therefore this will be equal to x upon y plus log of y by x is equal to twice of log x plus twice of log c1. Or x upon y plus log of y minus log x is equal to twice of log x plus twice of log c1. Or x upon y is equal to thrice of log x minus log y plus twice of log c1. This can be written as log x cube c1 square by y. So x by y is equal to this much. This will be the solution. Or you can write it as e raised to x by y is equal to x cube c1 square by y. This will be the solution of the differential equation. So whenever the equation is homogeneous, put y is equal to vx and then solve the equation. Now we will consider those equations which can be reducible to homogeneous equations. Let us take 4x plus 6y plus 5 dy minus 3y plus 2x plus 4 dx is equal to 0. Or we can write it as 4x plus 6y plus 5 dy is equal to 3y plus 2x plus 4 dx. Or dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4 divided by 4x plus 6y plus 5. Here we see that we can write it as 2 into 2x plus 3y, so that this can be written as 2x plus 3y plus 4 divided by twice of 2x plus 3y plus 5. Now put 2x plus 3y is equal to u, say. Therefore 2 plus 3 dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Or dy by dx will be equal to 1 by 3 du by dx minus 2. Substituting this value in first. dy by dx means 1 by 3 du by dx minus 2 is equal to, this is u plus 4 divided by 2u plus 5, or du by dx minus 2 is equal to 3u plus 12. This 3 will be multiplied by this, so 3u plus 12 divided by 2u plus 5. Or du by dx is equal to 3u plus 12 divided by 2u plus 5 plus 2. Take the LCM, 2u plus 5, this will be 3u plus 12 plus 4u plus 10. This will be equal to 7u plus 22 divided by 2u plus 5. Or so variables are separable, so that we get here, this will be 2u plus 5 divided by 7u plus 22 du is equal to dx. Now divide 7u plus 22, 2u plus 5, this will be 2 by 7, so this will be 2u plus 24 by 7. This will be 5 minus 44 by 7 means 35 minus 44 divided by 7, and this will be equal to minus 9 by 7. So this will be equal to 2 by 7 minus 9 by 7 into 1 by 7u plus 22 du is equal to dx. Now integrate both the sides, so you will get, integrating both the sides, we get 2 by 7u minus 9 by 7 into 1 by 7 log of 7u plus 22 is equal to x plus some constant of integration. Now put the value of u. This will be 2 by 7, 2x plus 3y minus 9 by 49 log of 7 into 2x plus 3y plus 22 is equal to x plus c. This will be the solution. Next question is dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 2x minus y plus 1 divided by x plus 2y minus 3. Now we see that this question is different from the previous one because वहाँ पर आप कॉमन लेके उसमें एक जैसे वेरिएबल बन जा रहे थे, वो यहाँ पर अलग है कि आप इस तरह से पुट नहीं कर सकते कि 2x माइनस वाई को हम कुछ रख लें या x प्लस 2y को, तो यहाँ हम रखेंगे x इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस एच एंड y इज इक्वल टू वाई प्लस के, वेयर h एंड k आर so chosen that h minus k plus 1 is equal to 0 and h plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. Now look how we get this. यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा dy बाई डी एक्स, क्या हो जाएगा कैपिटल dy बाई डी एक्स, और यहाँ आ जाएगा हमारे पास 2x प्लस एच यानी 2x प्लस 2h माइनस वाई माइनस के प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई x प्लस h प्लस 2y प्लस 2k माइनस 3. इसे हमें होमोजीनियस बनाना है, इसलिए क्या होना चाहिए 2h माइनस के प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पर जो हमने लिखा है 2h माइनस के प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, और नीचे है हमारे पास h प्लस 2k माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 2x प्लस माइनस वाई डिवाइडेड बाई x प्लस 2y. नाउ फाइंड h एंड k. सो we can find h and k as this is equal to 0 and h plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. So h divided by 3 minus 2 is equal to k upon 1 plus 6 is equal to divided by 1 upon 4 plus 1, or h is equal to 1 by 5 and k is equal to 7 by 5. h upon 3 minus 2, k upon 1 plus 6 and 1 upon 4 plus 1. These will be the values of h and k. Now this equation is homogeneous equation, so put capital Y is equal to capital Vx, so that dy by dx is equal to V plus x dv by dx. Substituting in second. We get v plus x dv by dx is equal to, here we can write it as 2 minus y by x divided by 1 plus 2y by x. So this will be equal to 2 minus v divided by 1 plus 2v, or x dv by dx is equal to 2 minus v upon 1 plus 2v minus v. Taking LCM, 1 plus 2v, 2 minus v minus 2v square. So this will be equal to 2 minus 2v minus 2v square divided by 1 plus 2v. Now separate the variables. 1 plus 2v divided by 2 minus 2v minus 2v square, this is equal to dx by x, और माइनस हम इसमें से बाहर ले लें ये हो जाएगा 1 + 2v डिवाइडेड बाई 2 × v² + v + 1 is into dv is equal to minus dx by x. Now see, derivative of this is 2v + 1. So integrating both the sides, we will get, we can write it as 1 + 2v divided by v² + v + 1 dv is equal to minus 2 dx upon x. Integrating both the sides, we get log of v² + v + 1 is equal to minus twice of log x plus constant of integration log of c. Now put the value of v or v² + v + 1 is equal to c by x² or y² by x² plus y by x plus 1 is equal to c by x² or y² plus yx plus x² is equal to c. Now, or what was y is equal to? Y was equal to y minus k and x was equal to x minus h. So put here y minus k, value of k was equal to 7/5 and value of x was 1/5. So this will be x minus 1/5 plus x² means x minus 1/5 whole square is equal to c. This will be the solution. कितने मिनट हो गए?